and welcome back to NewTuber Advice. This is part 7, and today we are going to be talking about something that is something that I've not really talked about before, and I haven't really done it in a past video or anything like that. It is quite a tough topic, and that is burnout. So this is quite tough to talk about, so I'm going to go through as much as I can. It's not going to be a long video, this one, because it's just quite tough. So I'm just going to go through as much as I can. So basically, in my early days of YouTube, when it was like my first 10 or 20 days, I wasn't uploading as many videos. And I wasn't getting many subscribers, just because I wasn't uploading all the time. And then it got to a certain point where I started doing daily videos, which was in 2017, so around about March time. And yeah, I started doing daily content, and a lot of people started getting there with me, and all of that sort of thing. And I wasn't getting burnt out too much, just because I was uploading a lot. If you go to my first video that I uploaded to my next video, you can see there's quite a big gap. And the reason why for that is because I wasn't growing as many subscribers back then, because there was a big gap in the video side to when I did my next video, if you know what I mean. So it was quite a big heavy step, but at the same time, I got there, and I did it well. That was the main thing. The other thing that I did want to talk about in my life of YouTube anyway for the last 9 years, is I did do quite a lot of videos. I was uploading about 7 or 8 videos a day, and it was quite stupid of me, and I wasn't spending a lot of time with my family. Yeah, I wasn't doing that, and that was very, very bad, by the way. That was very, very bad. And the other thing is, I have took a few weeks off YouTube a lot of times, and then in 2021, I stopped daily videos completely because I was getting absolutely bored of daily videos. And it was kind of stressing me out a lot. And then, when I wasn't uploading as much, I got burnt out. I started getting burnt out because a lot of people were thinking, why am I not doing daily videos anymore? But by the way, I've been doing daily videos for about 4 years in that time, and I did enjoy doing a video every single day, but at the same time, I was getting bored of it. Now, I am planning to bring back daily videos in the future. I don't know when, and it will happen again, but at the moment, I'm just going to carry on doing videos when I want to do them, and just not upload them every day. So I would advise you guys, if you can, for these new tubers anyway, I want advice doing a heavy pace of videos, if you can. So I would probably recommend doing a few videos for now, and then when you're ready, step up your pace and start moving up. Because by the way, when I started my channel, I wasn't actually doing a video every day. So yeah, it only took, I think it took about 8 months, and then I started doing a video every day. So, I would recommend doing that, by the way, just because it'll be a lot easier for everybody. Because if you do a heavy pace right now, you'll just end up, you know, maybe getting tired or just not doing YouTube anymore. So that's what I would recommend, guys, if you're doing that. So, yeah, and the other thing that I did want to talk about is, for example, if you're with your family or anything, don't spend your time watching videos on YouTube or replying to comments and stuff like that, because it sort of like ruins your time you are spending with your family if you're watching a movie or something. So I wouldn't do that. And in the past, I was doing videos really early in the morning, and I was getting no sleep. I was doing so many all-nighters, and it tired me out, it really did. And I believe I was only about 19 at the time, or 20, when I was doing this. And it kind of ruined it, really. It kind of ruined me, really. So, yeah, so I've actually gone through the same thing. And the other thing that I have done is I've spent a lot of time in my bedroom as well. Maybe like 10 hours a day in my bedroom or something, just doing videos and stuff. And that didn't require my health, and I didn't like it. So that's another thing I've stopped doing as well, since I've got older anyway now. So yeah, so for these NewTubers, I wouldn't recommend doing any of this stuff that I've talked about, and that's how you require getting burnt out on YouTube. Yeah, I'm just going at the right pace right now, and I would let you guys do the same. So yeah, so that's what burnout is. So yeah. Yeah, so this one has been quite tough to talk about, but I've kind of like gone through as much of it as I can, and I don't want to make the video too long because there's not really a lot to say, and it is quite tough. So hopefully you've enjoyed it anyway. Yeah. So yeah, that's burnt out. Burnout, not burnt out, burnout, I mean. No, I mean burn out. That's what I meant. Yeah, so if you've got anything to say about this one, then just leave any comments down below. Yeah. Yeah, so that was today's topic. Yeah, so in the next video, I'm gonna talk about something else. So make sure you stay around for that one. The next one's actually quite an easy one. So yeah. So hopefully you stay around for that one. And yeah. So yeah, if you've not seen the other ones yet, I recommend checking those out. There is a playlist that I've made that will have all the videos in. It'll have them all in a row, so you can watch them from the start if you haven't seen any of them yet. So yeah, that was that one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.